High-quality Energy Star certified indoor windows from ProVia offer multiple options for customization. The indoor window is constructed of sunshield vinyl, ensuring long-lasting color retention and low maintenance, plus the added confidence of a lifetime limited warranty. Indoor windows have a 3¼ inch frame depth, ideal for a new construction or replacement applications. Accessory grooves can be found on the interior and exterior, making it easy to add brick mold, nail fins, stucco flanges, sill extenders, and more. ProVia's innovative FineLine technology produces a straight, clean weld line with no touch-ups required. This feature is standard on laminated and painted indoor windows, and optional on white, beige, and sandstone. Energy thermal fiberglass reinforcements inserted in the sash meeting rail are 700 times more efficient than aluminum and provide extra strength and support. Graphite-infused polystyrene rigid foam insulation is added to indoor window frame extrusions for even greater energy-saving performance. Indoor windows use two types of weather stripping. Bulb seals are seamless closed-cell compression seals that prevent water from entering. Barrier fins, made from seal-woven extruded pile, provide an effective barrier against air, water, dust, and noise, sealing against even and uneven surfaces. Double hung, slider, casement, and awning windows come standard with an extruded aluminum screen frame, featuring BetterView fiberglass mesh. BetterView mesh is exceptionally durable and flame retardant, improves airflow, increases insect protection, and provides an enhanced view. It features watershed technology, which preserves optical clarity and resists dirt and grime. Weep holes are another water-shedding feature on all indoor window frames. The sloped sill and weep holes on the frames allow rainwater to easily escape and divert it away from your home. All indoor double hung, slider, garden, hopper, casement, awning, and bay and bow windows are exterior glazed for an overall cleaner look from the inside of the home. The indoor window comes standard with ComfortTech DLA UV glass package, featuring 2 panes of single-strength glass with 3 layers of low-E and argon gas between the panes. The block and tackle system is standard on indoor double-hung windows and provides quiet, smooth, easy operation without the need for sash stops for a much cleaner look. Indoor double-hung windows also come standard with 2 dual-tech sweep locks that easily tilt and lock the sashes with a seamless motion. An integral interlock at the meeting rail helps secure the sashes together when closed and locked. Equal sight lines from the top sash down to the bottom sash give the window a more balanced look and provide stability on the bottom. Choosing an indoor window allows the homeowner to select from a variety of interior and exterior vinyl and paint colors, hardware colors, class options, and interior trim profiles. Indoor windows are available as all-white, beige, and sandstone vinyl, along with handsome wood grain laminate options for the interior. A classic bronze laminate can be added to the exterior, along with several standard, trending, and custom paint color options. These windows can be further customized with privacy and tinted glass, internal and external grids, internal blinds, decorative glass, and art glass. Complete your indoor windows with ProVia's MasterFit trim system, which includes assembled frame extensions that interlock with mortise and tenon casing, ensuring a precise, custom fit and long-lasting factory-applied finish. Choose from several profile options and a variety of paint and stain colors.